Say the helicopter crew was highly experienced tonight. We're taking a closer look at that type of helicopter that was involved in this crash. News Channel 3 Shay Lawson live now at the Palm Springs Air Museum with more on that part of the story.
John, Karen, that's exactly right. Behind me is a Black Hawk helicopter. It's the same model as the one involved in yesterday's collision. We're going to give you a closer look as I tell you a little bit more about this type of helicopter. The UH-60 Black Hawk is a four-blade, twin-engine, medium-lift military helicopter stretching about 65 feet. It's designed for troop transport, medical evacuation, and combat support, and requires extensive training to operate. Now I want you to take a look at this video CAL FIRE shared with us. Firefighters use Firehawk helicopters built by the same manufacturer as the Black Hawk for water drops on wildfires, including the Palisades fire. CAL FIRE actually conducts aerial firefighting training for helicopters at night. They say training at night gives pilots and crews valuable experience simulating real-world scenarios. News Channel 3 spoke with the director of the Palm Springs Air Museum, who shares more insight on the Black Hawk.
Right behind me is what's called a Pave Hawk, which is a Black Hawk helicopter. This is that's the base model of Sikorsky. This one has the long-range refueling probe on the front of it. It's a rescue helicopter. So there's a lot of versions of Black Hawks flying out there. Looking at just the very raw stuff that I've seen happen so fast and at such a low altitude, there might not be anything in the black box that will really tell them anything other than what they know.
Officials confirmed the helicopter was on an annual proficiency training flight when it collided with the commercial jet Wednesday night. Now tonight, families in the military community are mourning the lives of all those that were lost in that tragic collision that happened yesterday night. For now, I'm reporting live in Palm Springs. Shay Lawson, News Channel 3.